Hello folks, in this video you are going to get a practical introduction to Elixir, one of the most elegant and powerful programming languages out of there. So what is Elixir? It's a functional programming language built on top of the Erlang virtual machine, which is famous for powering things like WhatsApp and telephone networks. What that means for you is Elixir is incredibly good at handling lots of things happening at once, and it's built to be fault tolerant by design. But honestly, even beyond that, Elixir is just a really pleasant language to write. Clean syntax, smart defaults, and community that cares about good code. So let's dive in. Once you have installed Elixir, the first thing you will want to do is open the interactive shell called IX. Just type IX in your terminal and hit enter. You will see something like this. This is your playground. You can type any Elixir expression, hit enter, and see the result immediately. We will be using this through the video, and I strongly encourage you to follow along as we go. Let's talk about the basic building blocks, data types. Integers work exactly how you would expect. Elixir also lets you write numbers in binary, octal, or hex, useful for lower level work. Booleans are true and false. Simple one thing is to remember, in Elixir only false and nil are considered falsy. Everything else including zero, empty lists, empty strings is truthy. That's a cleaner rule than most languages. Enums are probably the most unfamiliar type if you're coming from Python or JavaScript. An atom is just a constant, whose name is its value. You write them with a colon. You will see atoms everywhere in Elixir, especially as text in function written values. They are lightweight and perfect for signaling intent. Strings are UTF-8 by default, wrapped in double quotes. You can also do string interpolation and concatenation with binary concatenation operator. Arithmetic is straightforward. One thing to watch, division always returns a float. If you need integer division or the remainder, use div and rem. Boolean operators or and not work with any value using the truthiness rule we mentioned. There are also stricter versions and or not that require actual booleans on the left side. Comparisons use the usual suspects, dual equal, not equal, greater than, less than, and so on. One worth knowing, triple equal is the strict equality check. It distinguishes integers from floats. Now let's look at how Elixir groups data together. Lists are ordered collections written with square brackets. They can hold mixed types. Under the hood, Elixir lists are linked lists, so adding to the front is fast, but adding to the end is slower. Keep that in mind. Tuples look similar, but use curly braces, and they are stored contiguously in memory, so reading them is fast, but changing them is not. You will often see tuples use the function return values. That OK tuple or error tuple pattern is everywhere in Elixir. It's how functions signal success or failure. Maps are your key value store. Any type can be a key. Access values like this. And keyword lists are special ordered lists of atom-keyed pairs, commonly used for passing options to functions. One of the most powerful tools in Elixir is the Enum module, a collection of over 70 functions for working with lists, maps, and other collections. Let me show you three that you will use constantly. Enum.map transforms every item in a collection. Enum.filter keeps only the items that pass a test. And Enum.reduce collapses a collection down to a single value, like summing a list. The pattern is always the same. Pass a collection, pass a function, get a result. Once you get comfortable with these three, the rest of Enum will feel very natural.